guys, right here behind me is the Taichi RSJ 333. This is color gray and size medium. It's perfect for height of 165 to 172 centimeters. We have chest size of 91 to 96 centimeters and waistline of 76 to 81 centimeters is the recommended sizing for the medium. The standard padding that comes along with it. This one's for the elbow, this one's for the shoulders, then this one is for the back. Then for the chest naman, this is not included, but since I have a few Taichi jackets lying around, dati ko pa nakuha tong chest pads na to. And compatible naman siya with this jacket still. Going to the back, you have the hoodie flap. Tapos may logo rin ng Taichi dito. So this one comes with the standard pockets on both sides na may zipper to keep your things safe and secure. No, wait. So ito is yung meron pa lang siyang side pockets. Tapos meron din pa pala sa likod. So sa likod pala to. May patch dito. I think it's part of their design. Na Taichi. May Taichi na nakasulat. On the other side, we also have ito Taichi brand here with its logo. Tapos may mga wording na nakasulat. Actually, na-try ko na siyang suotin kanina with the padding. Okay lang naman. Of course, it's a little more masikip kapag with the paddings on. My waistline is around 34-inch. Chest ko around, alam kong bust ko is around 10 something eh. Pero stretchy naman siya. So technically, based on paper, dapat large ako. Pero I think medium sakto na. Parang tight yung feeling. Just zip this up so you can see. So I tried this earlier with the padding eh. Parang kaya pa naman with the chest padding. So medyo fit siya sa akin. Ito yung di ko napansin. May pocket pala dito. So aside from the pockets on the sides na may zipper, meron din pala siya pocket on sa likod. Pero I think it's easily accessible din siya. Hindi siya super mahirap kunin. So you can put like your intercom or like your cameras there. Let me know what you guys think of this jacket in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. This would be my initial impressions.